Welcome to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full before subscribing. Thank you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Maraming salamat po. A journey through Auckland Botanic Gardens. Just a short drive from the heart of Auckland lies a place where the nature unfolds in remarkable ways, the Auckland Botanic Gardens. As you enter, the sounds of the city begin to fade, replaced by birdsong and the gentle rustle of leaves. Stretching across more than 60 hectares, the gardens offer a living collection of plants from New Zealand and around the world, carefully arranged to inspire curiosity and appreciation for the natural world. Winding pathways lead visitors through a series of themed gardens, each with its own character. In the native forest, towering trees and lush ferns showcase the unique beauty of New Zealand's flora. Nearby, vibrant roses fill the air with fragrance, while colorful perennials create changing displays throughout the seasons. The gardens are more than just a beautiful landscape. They are places of learning and conservation where horticultural experts work to protect plant diversity and educate future generations. Every garden bed, every tree, and every flowering shrub tells a story about adaptation, survival, and the connections between people and nature. Families gather on open lawns, photographers capture the changing light, and visitors from around the world pause to enjoy moments of quiet reflection. Whether you're discovering rare species, enjoying a leisurely walk, or simply taking in the scenery, the gardens offer an opportunity to slow down and reconnect with the environment. As the journey comes to an end, the Auckland Botanic Gardens leave a lasting impression, a reminder that even within a growing city, nature continues to thrive, offering beauty, inspiration, and a sense of peace to all who visit. Thank you. These are the facts that I've gathered. Pasensya na po kung minsan nabubulol para sa mga kababayan ko dyan. Ito po, nagbisita po kami sa Auckland Botanical Gardens. At maganda naman po talaga siya at malawak. I hope you learned something from this. At sana po mabisitin nyo rin ang park na ito. Libre lang po siya. At saka malapit lang din sa motorway sa mga kababayan ko na nandito lang din sa Auckland, New Zealand. Maraming salamat po. Nakapag-like na po ba kayo? Maraming salamat po sa mga umabot sa dulo.